Feeling bloated, low energy, or maybe your digestion just is not as smooth as it should be? Well, today we are fixing that with high fiber vegetarian meals that are delicious, gut friendly, and super easy to make at home.
Most of us don't get enough fiber daily, but fiber is your digestive system's best friend. It keeps you feel full longer. Stick around because I'm sharing not just recipes, but also smart swaps to sneak fiber into your everyday meals.
Let's kick off with Berry Chia Overnight Oats. Perfect for mornings when you're rushing but still want something wholesome. Combine your oats, chia seeds, and milk in a jar. Stir it well, let it sit overnight in the fridge, and by morning, boom, creamy, fiber-packed goodness. Top it with berries and a drizzle of honey.
Each serving, about 10 grams of fiber. That's nearly half of what many adults need in a day, all before 9 a.m.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe.